Welcome back to my Jamaican Dream House. It's just another update. It's October 3rd, Sunday, here in Jamaica, beautiful, beautiful Jamaica. We're on a lockdown. So far, most of the wall is rendered and ready to be painted. But there's some parts that need to be rendered still. The ceilings is dressed and ready to go. Still got to do the beams and the column. That wall needs to be done. These windows need to be dressed. Most of the windows are already done already. One or two that's left over. Let's move on upstairs. So I have the ceilings to do. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them yet. You guys let me know in the comment, please, if I should do a flat ceiling or a tray ceiling. Over here, storage where I keep most of my stuff. Walls are done. That one is ready to go. This one needs to be finished up. So I got a little work. I have a little work to do, but you know, Rome wasn't built in a day. Still ain't done yet. My walkway is not done yet. But you know how Jamaican people move. Slow motion, I guess. The mason anyway. Yeah, today's kind of cast. It's gonna rain. But the breeze feels beautiful. Oh man, it's nice. Nice and cool breeze. I can't wait to get my this stuff done. Take time and money. Time and money. But I tell you what, you start it, you have to finish. Once you start, it must finish. So, what I've done since I got here is the columns on the wall. I got all those filled. They still need to pull those. I'm gonna pull it today. And I'm gonna get a truck to bring some coarse marl to fill in this area right here. So it's gonna be up a little higher and a little bit smoother to walk on. So far, I got the raw with the steel float on the wall. We're gonna do the shower lawn paint. It lasts longer, so you know, I think it's a win-win. Gonna fill this in tomorrow. Hopefully we'll start tomorrow anyway. Right now we're moving the stuff out the way so the truck can get back here and drop the stuff off. So it's gonna come back Monday, tomorrow, and finish up here and the front. Okay, this is my kitchen. Got the cabinet done. This microwave, NutriBullet, must have. Air fryer, have to have it. It's my little temporary stove. This is another must have. A vacuum. Coming so handy. Got the bathroom done. Just still working on this section right here, the pierce basin. We gotta come and connect it up. We should be back tomorrow morning around 12 o'clock. I know my plumber. This is early. My washroom. Doubling right now is a storage. This is also new right here, the grill. This man did a wonderful job. I'm also working on this wall right here. We'll do the columns. It was already set. These will be pulled Monday. So I'm going to be filling up this area in right here. Should be filling in. I'm going to have some stuff coming on Monday to dump it up.